Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon marmalade. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, unwaxed lemons, an equal weight of granulated sugar, and plenty of water. Choosing unwaxed lemons is crucial for the best zest and flavor. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready for the cooking process. This easy guide will help you create a delicious preserve. Now let's prepare the lemons. Wash them thoroughly, then slice them very thinly, removing any seeds as you go. Place the sliced lemons and any collected juice into a large bowl, covering them with about 6 cups of water. Let this mixture soak overnight. This step helps soften the peels significantly. The next day, transfer everything to a large pot, ready for the initial cooking phase. After the initial cooking, it's time to add the sugar. Stir it in until completely dissolved, then bring the mixture to a rapid boil. Keep boiling, stirring frequently to prevent sticking, until the marmalade reaches its setting point. You can test this by placing a small spoonful on a chilled plate. If it wrinkles when pushed, it's ready. This stage requires patience for that perfect consistency. Once your marmalade has reached the perfect set, carefully ladle it into sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, then seal them tightly with lids and bands. For long-term storage, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Let your delicious homemade lemon marmalade cool completely before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.